All right, folks, I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2008 Honda Accord. Pretty straightforward. First thing you're going to do, you're going to open up the glove box. Hopefully it's not locked. You're going to locate the wheel key, which is right there, but you're not going to touch it. Over here is just a little hook that holds the glove box, like a dampener type thing. You're just going to push that down and unlatch it just like this. You can tuck it back up in there. Now the next thing you have to do is you have to move this in that way. You have to remove that one in that way. I'm going to get you set down, kind of show you what to do here. So you're going to push this one in, you're going to push this in, and then the whole glove box should come down. If you do this nicely enough, I'm going to show you here with the flashlight. If you do it nicely enough, all your stuff's not going to fall out. So I'm going to tuck my flashlight here. You can kind of do it one-handed maybe. Well, I don't know if you can see that. All right, so there's a little tab right about here. You're going to push that in to release the clip. That'll do the one side. Same thing on this side. Same thing on this side. You're going to push the little tab in, and then the whole thing. Oh boy, this one's really bad. Let's see. Oh boy, look at this. Look at all that. Wow. All right, so you can see right here, I might have to let everything fall out of the glove box. Sorry, guys. It's not too bad. You can see the little tab that's right here. You'll just push this one in, it'll release that. Push the other one in, it'll release. I'm gonna set this aside for now because I'm gonna need to get my vacuum cleaner. This is very bad. Oh boy, let's see. All these pine needles. Okay, I'm gonna clean this out and then we'll put it back in. All right, a couple things to note here is on the cover, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's an arrow pointing down. You are gonna basically match up the arrows on there with the arrow down. So if you try to do it this way, it clearly won't fit. So you have to go this way. We'll put that there because the airflow goes down, and then that's just how you know that it's right. It fits in there nice and snug. I got everything cleaned out. So now you're gonna just take this, you're gonna slide it right on in there. It should go pretty smoothly. Here we go. Then you'll clip that in, you'll hear a clip. You'll hear it click in there. Make sure it's all nice and pressed. Get any trash that's in there. And actually I used, right down here, I actually just used a box to hold the glove box up. That's smart right there. Okay, now you put this back the same way you got it. You're gonna put this in, put that in. Then on this side, right here, you're just gonna pull this down, and you're gonna set the hook just like that. You hook that, that's just so it doesn't slam down, but that's how you do that. Then what you do is you put all your papers put back in there, all your manuals. We got the 08 sedan, one of the very few that still have the manuals with it, but once this is clipped, these are back in there, you're all done. All right, hope this helped, guys.